Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair or set up the Airpods Pro, the genuine Airpods Pro with a Samsung Galaxy phone using Android Pie. So this one here is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and of course it should work, and there's two ways to go about doing this depending on how your AirPods react upon the first setup. So we'll go to settings here first on your phone, we'll go to connections, and we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. And then we'll turn that on. Now, as you turn it on, of course, with Samsung phones, they will start searching for nearby devices. And with the AirPods Pro, two things can happen. If you open up the lid, you'll notice the light will start to blink like this, which is the pairing mode, the automatic pairing mode. And you'll notice that they showed up on available devices. However, if you open up the lid like this and it doesn't start to blink like this with the white light, what you're going to do is leave the case lid open and you're going to long press that button on the back of the case for the AirPods Pro here. Hold it down until you start seeing that blinking white light, which is the manual pairing mode. Now, once you've gotten it to do that, you can go ahead and select AirPods Pro as it shows up under available devices. So select that. And it's going to say pairing. And then once it's fully connected, it's going to stay connected for calls and audio. It's going to show you AirPods Pro up here. It's going to show you the audio as to how high the volume is at the current moment. And of course, that's that. Remove it from the case itself. And then you know what to do. Go ahead and use it and have some fun. Other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Thanks.